How to get married in Sweden if you are a Filipino. Step-by-step process.
We just followed the instructions we found in the site of Philippine Embassy in Stockholm. Here your step 1. According to the instruction of the Philippine Embassy in Stockholm, check the new rules now, Philippine Embassy in Stockholm. Backhand index pointing right. Before you travel to Sweden and plan for your wedding, you must get the following documents. From National Statistic Office, NSO, they call it now Philippine Statistic Authority, PSA. And all your documents must be authenticated by DFA, update, red ribbon and no more.
Number 1. Certificate of No Marriage Record, CENOMAR. Certificate of No Marriage Record, CENOMAR, can be obtained from the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, in the Philippines and duly authenticated by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, in Manila, duly apostillized by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, in Manila. Number 2. Birth Certificate, BC, in security paper, SECPA, issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, and duly authenticated by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, in Manila, duly apostillized by the Department of Foreign Affairs, DFA, in Manila. Number 3. Both documents should be submitted to the Philippine Embassy in Oslo for further authentication of the CENOMAR as required by authorities in the above-mentioned countries/jurisdiction. You can now order your marriage certificate at NSO/PSA, Philippine Statistic Authority. I order it online via Caesar. Below are the accredited partner of the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, for the online ordering and nationwide delivery of PSA civil registry documents such as birth, marriage, death certificates, and certificate of no marriage, CENOMAR. Please keep in mind to order your documents in a legitimate website stated only in PSA website. If all your documents is complete, you can now proceed to step 2. Before you get married in Sweden, you must apply for HANDRSPRVNNG together with your partner at the Swedish Tax Authority. Always remember that all your documents, especially your CENOMAR, must not be older than 4 months, because their office is very strict when it comes to all the documents. They always want it updated and original. They will send you a letter if they will approve your application. Take note that the letter they will give you is also a requirements needed in the church. When the Swedish tax agency approve your application, they will send you a letter. The certificate is valid for 4 months from the date of certification. The certificates are to be given to the official conducting the marriage ceremony. Then you can now proceed to step 3, plan your wedding. In Sweden, it is possible to get married in church, e.g. Lutheran or Catholic Church, or get married at a non-religious ceremony, civil. You can have your civil ceremony at a local district court or city hall. We recommend making reservations for your civil wedding ceremony at least 2 or 3 weeks in advance of your wedding date. If you are having a religious ceremony, you should contact the pastor of the church where you want to get married to make sure that you have fulfilled the church's requirements for getting married there. The established Church of Sweden requires that one of you must be a member of the church. Also, ask for an extra marriage certificate in English version, if this is possible. If everything is all set, congratulations! You can now hear your wedding bells clear and coming. You can plan now for your dream wedding day, reception, wedding dress and invitations, etc. But after the celebration, don't forget the step 4, last step. Marriages abroad of Filipino citizens must be reported and duly registered. The Philippine Embassy registers marriages of Filipino citizens celebrated in Norway, Finland, Iceland, and Sweden. Visit Philippine Embassy in Stockholm for more information about how to report your marriage. We had our civil marriage, and this is how my Swedish marriage certificate looks like. The reason I tell you to get an English marriage certificate is that, once you report your marriage in Philippine Embassy in Stockholm, they only accept the English and authenticated/legalized documents. So you need to send your MC to a legal translator to translate it if happen your MC is in Swedish language. Disclaimer: this is only based on my experiences and my little knowledge that I gained throughout the years. Please also note that marriage license requirements often change. The above information is for guidance only and should not be regarded as legal advice. It is very important that you verify all information with local marriage license office before making any wedding decisions or travel plans. Remember that the results is always depend on your particular situation. The time prior to applying /timeframe /decisions or varies as long as you meet all the criteria they need. All opinions are honest and my own. Feel free to ask question and no complicated hard question please. I try my best to answer you back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment to my channel.